Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Today we're going to be working on a Frigidaire dishwasher. What we're going to be doing today on the dishwasher is replacing the actual main recirculating pump. The motor is getting power, it's just shorted. It's not making any noises. The dishes aren't getting cleaned. Water's not spraying where it's supposed to. So to begin the repair, I've taken off the front panel here, so just to give me some more room underneath the unit. To do this repair, the whole unit does have to be uninstalled. I've taken off the front panel. I removed the actual copper water line that was connected to the dishwasher. This is actually the reason why we're shooting this part of the video, because the copper water line actually comes through probably about 6 inches back from the front of the cabinet. So it goes in between the stand of the dishwasher. So when I would pull it out, that water line would be blocking or obstructing the removal of the dishwasher. So this is where we're at so far. Now we're ready to finish uninstalling the dishwasher. The tools you will need to complete this repair are a T20 screwdriver or a T20 drill bit incorporated with the drill, a Phillips screwdriver or a Phillips head bit incorporated with the drill. First step we want to do is, because this dishwasher is hardwired, we want to go ahead and remove the electrical connection so we can get it uninstalled. To do so, there is this terminal block cover here. So it is held in by either 1/4 inch screw, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm using a Phillips. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that screw. This will expose the wires, your ground, your neutral, and your live coming in. So I'm gonna remove the wire caps. The power is disconnected at the breaker, but once I remove these wire caps, I'm still going to check for power just to be safe. So if it does have power come to it, I will have 120 volts on my meter here. I'm just disconnecting the wire nuts. Now be careful, because if it is live, you don't want to touch the wires, or else you will get shocked right now. Now I got my wires disconnected. And there is no voltage. So now I know it's safe to actually touch the wires to unstrand them or unwind them. And the ground screw, there's a ground screw that is securing the actual ground wire in place. I'm just gonna loosen that screw and just manipulate the ground wire a little bit. So now all the wires are free. I'm going to push the wires from the house through this opening to get them out of the way so I can pull the dishwasher out. The next step is to remove the 2 Phillips style screws. There's little brackets underneath the counter that's securing the top of the dishwasher, so the top of the dishwasher doesn't lean forward. I've already removed 1 screw. We're just gonna remove the other one right now. Now that we have the unit successfully uninstalled, as you can see, we have it tipped back to about a 45-degree angle. The reason being is what we're replacing is the main motor. This is a main recirculating motor. There's a bracket that secures the actual motor in place. The screws, which are T20s, are facing towards the bottom, the floor. So this is why you have to uninstall the dishwasher to do this job. So now that it's tipped back, we're gonna go ahead and remove the T20 torque screws. Just like that. Now this bracket should slide right down. All right, now that we have the bracket removed, we're gonna go ahead and start tipping the dishwasher upright. Just remember, we do have this moving blanket down. There probably will be some more water that comes out. So just so you're aware. So I'm gonna go ahead and tip this upright. So now we've drained most of the water out of the motor area. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the whole motor assembly. There's probably gonna be a little more water that comes out, as you see, but it's okay. So here's the motor. As you can see, there's 2 wires connected to the motor. We're gonna go ahead and pull the clip and remove the wires. Just like that. So now we have the motor in there as much as we could push it in. The actual bracket's gonna finish securing the actual motor in place. So before we tip the dishwasher back, I am going to plug the new motor in with the power supply. Just like that. And now I could tip it back to re-secure the actual motor. Now we have the dishwasher tip back. We're getting ready to re-secure the motor bracket onto the actual motor. So just lining everything up. So you can see it's tripping. It's because it's not making a secure seal. That's what the brass bracket's for. Alrighty. Just lining everything up to re-secure the motor bracket onto the motor. There's a nipple in the middle of the motor that the motor bracket goes over to let you know that it's lined up. Once it's over, you use the 2 T20 screws that we removed earlier to actually secure the bracket and the motor. You don't want to over tighten these screws because they're screwing into plastic. So once we have the 2 T20 screws secure in the motor bracket and the motor bracket secure, we can go ahead and tilt the dishwasher upright again and begin the reinstallation process. Now this is the old motor. We have the new one installed as we speak. So we're ready to reinstall the dishwasher, go ahead and reconnect the drain hose, the water line, the electrical to the dishwasher. We'll go ahead and test the operation of the unit. If there's no leaks and everything's good, this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.